Hello everyone. I'm now going to talk to you about time and attendance. Time and attendance is ideal for tracking how much time staff have worked, to monitor their time and attendance, and to calculate the total hours worked. Note that you will need a biometric fingerprint reader device connected to your PC to clock in and clock out in order to use time and attendance. On your home screen, click on Time and Attendance, and a time and attendance screen like this will appear. Click Clock In and place finger on fingerprint reader. Clock in was successfully. Reset. Click on Clock Out. Place finger on fingerprint reader. Clock out was successfully. And that is how you would clock in and clock out with a fingerprint reader. Press reset. You also have the option to manually clock in and out a user. Manual clock ins and outs are mainly done when a user has forgotten to clock back in from a lunch break, or maybe the user has forgotten to clock out when they left work on a previous shift. I'm now going to show you how to manually clock in and manually clock out a user. The access to manually clock in and clock out a user will require security authentication, which will depend on the company's operations processes. Click on Manual Clock In and select the drop-down to the user you would like to clock in. I'm going to select on the test user. You can click on the calendar to select a date you would like to clock in the user. I'm going to leave this as today's date. I'm going to select the time. I'm going to change the PM to AM. And click OK. A message appears, are you sure you want to clock in the selected user? I'm going to click yes. And it says clock in was successful for the selected user. I'm going to click reset, and I'm now going to click on manual clock out. Same process as before. Select on the drop down to the user you would like to clock out. You can click on the calendar to select a date. I'm going to leave it as today's date, and I'm going to leave the time as his. Clicking OK. A message appears, are you sure you want to clock out the selected user? I'm going to click OK. To close that screen, and that is how you would manually clock in and clock out a user. And that's the end of our training. Please like and subscribe to our channel.